One blustery day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger! Follow me, right this way! Honey, beware, beware! Heffalumps and woozles, heffalumps and woozles, steal honey, beware, beware! If honey's what you got, they love because they love so much. Every price, run beware, 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 beware. They're far. Sincere. Beware, 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 beware. All the booze is very confusing. What a wonderful dream.
Wake up! Oh, wake up! Wake up!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present. Present for Pooh.